All right, so a massive controversy with students protesting, now a solution from the Supreme Court. The education minister saying that this should resolve the issue. Re-examination has been ordered for those people who were awarded the controversial grace marks. But it's also a huge political controversy with the, opposition criticizing the government, asking for a probe into the entire matter. To talk more about this, we're joined by Arshpreet Khadial, national spokesperson of the Congress, Rajalakshmi Joshi, political analyst, someone who supports the BJP, Selam Dharanidharan, a national spokesperson of the DMK, and Ranbir Singh Pathania, a lawyer, also supports the BJP.
So the Bharatiya Janata Party and Mr. Modi, they are busy attending oath-taking ceremonies, are busy going on foreign trips, and this goes on to suggest that their priorities are in order. Students, lakhs of families at the bottom, and oath-taking ceremonies and trips are at the top.
Rajalakshmi, can you hear me? Your response to the Congress's demand that there be the CBI investigation or a Supreme Court monitored committee to look into this entire matter. The education minister saying that a re-exam has been ordered for those 1,500 students, plus students who got the grace marks. So therefore, for the moment, the issue should be resolved. There was no paper leak.
What I think is the Supreme Court has taken a very wise decision, and the students have been given a choice that they either accept the original marks as they were without the grace marks, or they take a re-exam, and their results will be announced before the 30th of June, so that they can actually go ahead with the counseling in July as it was earlier supposed to be. So it doesn't affect the 24 lakh students, because otherwise that was a very grave situation. So I am thankful that that has not come to that. But I do agree that there has to be an investigation to see why all of this has happened, and what the minister is saying. He is definitely in charge of matters. So I don't think that the Congress is right in saying that the Prime Minister should be commenting on this and not the minister. So they cannot choose to say that. So he is the minister in charge of all these things, and he has said that till now it has not come to his notice that there was anything fishy about the paper leak. So if it does come to that, if it does come to their notice that way, then they will take suitable action. And I think the Supreme Court is looking into it. So then definitely whatever comes to light, the suitable action will be taken.
All right, Selam Dharanidharan, you want to come in here, I can see. But yes, this issue of paper leak is not something, it's in the Supreme Court as well. There has been no paper leak is what the NTA has said. Yes, the grace mark issue was a huge controversy, and for the moment, a re-examination has been ordered for that.
Many students have got 719 and 717 and 718. How is it possible? Each question carries 4 marks. And if you answer them wrongly, it is -1, which means that if you have answered one question wrongly, then it has to be 715. Or if you have chose to not answer the question, then you don't get that -1 mark, so it has to be 716. How are the scores of 719 and 718 possible? And I think the minister should have given answer for this. This is just not some mere digression, just complete lack of capacity.
What one understood was because of the grace marks. That is the reason that some of these marks had gone up in this manner.
Prima facie, there is no case, no tangible evidence which has come before the public view, before the Honorable Supreme Court, or in the view of the government, which suggests that there was a paper leak. Now, let us limit this controversy simply with regard to the grace marks. You see, half-truths, hoaxes, and hallucinations don't lead us anywhere. The sincerity of the government, because the government had already enacted the Public Examinations Bill 2024. It was virtually aimed at with a view to pinning and with a view to hitting out these nexuses which were prevailing with regard to paper leak, with regard to affecting, with regard to influencing the transparency and the accountability of the selection and work.
Yes, we've spoken to many students here at NDTV before this, and many of them said what they wanted was exactly what has been decided, that those who got the grace marks should have a re-examination, that those grace marks should be taken away. And if for the moment, if this is going to, help settle the issue, we shouldn't play with the emotions of students and create this, bogey of the question paper having leaked out.
Let me ask my learned friend from Congress, will you come clean? Your Sarkar with 26 cases of paper leak in Rajasthan. That is the Gahlot Sarkar.
All right,
And
now
you are
we know
preaching
this
demands
is
of any
the
less than
paper leak
transparency
issue
to
is a
the-
larger
to the-
issue, yes,
to
which also
students.
needs to be resolved in this
That's it.
country.
We will
All
not
right, I
apologize
think we
and
just
we'll
have
keep
to
doing the
leave
same
it there.
mistakes.
The Parliament is going to be meeting at the end of this month, and hopefully all parties, all members of Parliament, they can get together to talk more about this and have a committee on this. For the moment, Supreme Court has said that those students who were given the grace marks, they will take a re-exam.